Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have a treat for all you food enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of Spanish cuisine to uncover the unknown facts about a delightful dairy product called Mato. If you're ready to explore this hidden gem of Spanish gastronomy, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. But first, what exactly is Mato? Well, it's a traditional Catalan cheese that has a rich history dating back centuries. Today, we'll be sharing some fascinating facts about Mato that you probably didn't know. Let's get started. Ancient origins. Mato has ancient origins. This creamy cheese has been enjoyed in Catalonia for over 1,000 years. Its history can be traced back to the medieval era when it was made by shepherds high up in the Pyrenees Mountains. The traditional production methods have been preserved for generations. Fresh and simple. Mato is all about simplicity. Unlike other cheeses that undergo complex aging processes, Mato is made fresh and is typically enjoyed within a day or two of production. It's made from just two primary ingredients: milk and rennet. Versatile culinary uses. Mato is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It's not just a cheese for snacking. It can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. From salads to desserts, Mato adds a delightful creaminess that elevates any recipe it's a part of. Nutrient-rich. Mato is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with essential nutrients like protein, calcium, and B vitamins. Plus, it's low in fat, making it a healthier choice for those looking to enjoy dairy without the guilt. Now that you've learned these intriguing facts about Mato, let's talk about some of the delectable dishes you can create using this Spanish cheese. Mato recipe ideas. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, Mato can add a touch of Spanish flair to your meals. Here are some recipe ideas. Mato salad. Toss Mato cheese with fresh vegetables, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with herbs for a refreshing salad. Mato bruschetta. Spread Mato on toasted bread, top with tomatoes, basil, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar for a delightful appetizer. Mato ice cream. Yes, you heard that right. You can make creamy Mato ice cream by blending it with your favorite fruits and a touch of honey. Unique texture. Mato has a unique texture. It's known for its soft and slightly grainy consistency, which sets it apart from many other cheeses. This texture makes it perfect for blending into creamy dishes or spreading on bread. Protected designation of origin. Mato cheese has a protected designation of origin, PDO, status. This means that authentic Mato can only be produced in specific regions of Catalonia, ensuring its traditional production methods and high quality are maintained. Sweet and savory variations. Mato comes in both sweet and savory variations. While the savory version is more common and used in salads and savory dishes, the sweet Mato is often enjoyed with honey or sugar as a dessert. Local celebration. Mato is celebrated locally in Catalonia during the Mato Fair, or Fiera del Mato. This festival showcases the cheese in all its forms, and visitors can taste various Mato-based dishes. Now that we've explored more intriguing facts about Mato, let's delve into some traditional ways of enjoying this cheese. Traditional Mato. Catalonia has a rich culinary heritage, and Mato cheese plays a prominent role in their traditional dishes. Here are a few classics. Mato con meal. A simple yet delightful dessert, Mato is served with a drizzle of local honey. The sweetness of the honey perfectly complements the cheese's creamy texture. Coca de Mato. A popular Catalan pastry, Coca de Mato features a thin, sweet dough base topped with Mato cheese, sugar, and often fruits like apricots or figs. Espinacas a la Catalana. Spinach sautéed with garlic, pine nuts, and raisins, then topped with crumbled Mato cheese, creating a delicious and unique side dish. I hope these traditional Mato dishes have piqued your interest. It's incredible how one cheese can be so versatile in the kitchen. So, there you have it, folks. The hidden facts and culinary wonders of Mato cheese. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend giving it a taste. It's a delightful way to explore the rich and diverse world of Spanish cuisine. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about food and culture, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy eating!